In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a signature request in BambooHR. If you've sent out a document for e-signature and realize it needs to be stopped, maybe a detail changed or it went to the wrong person, canceling the request ensures no one signs the outdated version. I'll show you exactly where to find the document and how to cancel the pending request while keeping everything clear and straightforward. Start by going to the BambooHR website and signing in with your usual credentials. You'll need the appropriate permissions to view documents and manage signature requests. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your account administrator to confirm your access level. Once you're in, look at the main navigation and click Reports. Reports is where BambooHR centralizes a lot of useful overviews, including document status. If your list of reports is long, use the search or filter tools inside the Reports area to quickly find what you need. Open the Signed Documents report. This report gives you a snapshot of documents that have been sent out, who they were sent to, and their current status. It's helpful to filter for pending or awaiting signatures, so you're only looking at documents that can still be canceled. You can also sort by document name or date to narrow things down further, especially if you manage a high volume of requests. When you've identified the correct record, click the document to open its details. Take a moment here to double check you've got the right file, confirm the document title, any relevant dates, and the requester information if it's visible. It's always better to verify before you cancel. Inside the document view, locate the employee who still has a pending signature. Select that employee, then click Cancel Request. BambooHR may ask you to confirm the cancellation before it goes through. Canceling stops the signing process for that recipient immediately, and they won't be able to complete the signature from any link they received. Depending on your account settings, you might also have the option to include a brief note explaining why you canceled, which can prevent confusion for the recipient and your team. That's all there is to it. Go to BambooHR, open Reports, launch the Signed Documents report, click into the specific document, and cancel the request for the appropriate employee. Keep in mind that canceling doesn't delete the document itself, it simply halts the pending signature. If you need to send an updated version later, you can do that separately once the information is correct. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your document workflow clean, accurate, and under control.